Welcome to today's video. Hope you are doing alright. Today's video is on the motorbike, my motorbike. Stored her for the winter because I'm an L driver. I'm learning. It's great fun. I've done maybe 1,000 miles on it so far. As a 125, 1,000 miles took a long time, but it was all fun. So want to get her fixed up, want to get her ready for the road again so I can start driving it again. Before I even got the bike, she needed a new battery, so she's not starting. She doesn't want to, nothing. She doesn't want to start at all. So that's the first problem. Second problem, as you'll see in the B-roll, I snapped the indicator by accident on the rear. It was a cheap eBay indicator. I got off the bike one day and just forgot there was indicators and walked through it and just snapped it off. So we've got new ones, nicer ones, metal ones, and then also, I don't know why, but I bought not two, but one horn. Just one. I don't know why. That'll be interesting. Whenever I first got the bike, the horn didn't work. I took apart the connections, cleaned them, put it back together, and it didn't work. So whenever I seen like a new shiny horn, I just bought it. I don't know why. Like, I should have bought two, but I don't know. It makes no sense sometimes. So nothing to it but to do it. I am noticing that this one's a lot smaller, not just in size, but this is 1.5 amp and this is 3 amp. So I'm hoping this doesn't get blown immediately. Here's hoping. Power on. Horn testing. Nice one. Does the job. So I think if I get two of these eventually, it'll be a lot neater looking because this is going to look funny. The next thing we're going to do is the battery, which is in here. Fun way of getting into that. I won't explain how long this took me to figure out because I was new to bikes. I didn't know this was a thing. But if you turn your key, you can pop your seat off. Then that gives you access to this screw. Pops off. Quick lesson time. In this small wee square is a nut that you can see there. That nut is short enough that the screw doesn't reach it. So what I do is I stick a screwdriver in through here to raise it up a little bit, then I can catch it. But you have to do that. You have to manage the nut, the screw, and the wire at the same time. So it's a bit of a ball ache. So here's the current state of things. Old one, big. New one, tiny. I didn't think they were going to be this small, so now we have an issue. Can't mount them where they were because this is just far too tiny. It'll not stick out at all and won't be seen. So I'm going to move to here. I think it'll be better. So that's the lights mounted. Lovely. Now's the fun bit of just doing the wiring. For those, I bought waterproof connectors off of Amazon, and they're really easy to set up and crimp and all that shit. The only real annoyance with doing the wiring is you have to do it on the bike because the connectors are too big to be taken off. So, bit of a pain in the ass, but fuck it, it'll be fine. So that's the bike ready for the season. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you next week. Hey,